Hi, welcome to my channel ShopZone. Are you looking for best products on Amazon? Here will best products review on Amazon. Number 5. DeLonghi Magnifica Evo, fully automatic machine bean to cup espresso cappuccino and iced coffee maker, colored touch display, black, silver. About this item, note, 1. Too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tamping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. 2. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. 6. One-touch recipes with color icons: espresso, coffee, americano, iced coffee, long, steam. Built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings. Traditional milk frother to easily prepare perfectly textured foam with milk and milk alternatives. Removable and dishwasher safe parts for easy cleaning. Number 4. DeLonghi ECAM 37095 Ti Dinamica Plus with Latte Crema system, fully automatic coffee machine, colored touch display, titanium. About this item, 3.5 TFT full touch, colorful display provides intuitive and simple experience of one-touch specialty recipes. DeLonghi Coffee Link app lets you create and save up to 3 personalized espresso recipes in your profile, so every cup of coffee is always customized to your unique taste. 16 one-touch or customized coffee drinks: latte, espresso, cappuccino, flat white, iced coffee, regular coffee and more. Built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings for always freshly ground coffee, for any beans of your choice. The intelligent smart one-touch feature recognizes your preferences and is programmed to list your most frequently selected drinks as first on the display. Thermal milk carafe with the proprietary Latte Crema system textures any milk of your choice to perfection and has an auto self-cleaning function. Number 3. DeLonghi EC9255M La Specialista Arte Evo Espresso Machine with cold brew. About this item, perfect, consistent grinding with a built-in grinder with 8 precise settings that ensure optimal single or double dose and grind size. Powerful, commercial style wand that heats up quickly and delivers the right steam pressure needed to create consistently smooth microfoam for latte art. Enjoy cold brew in under 5 minutes with DeLonghi's proprietary cold extraction technology. The professional barista toolkit makes your experience mess-free and easier than ever with the dosing and tamping guide and tamping mat. La Specialista Arte Evo has a 15-bar Italian pump that delivers perfect pressure, essential during the whole brewing process, from low pressure during pre-infusion, to the optimal 9-bar of high pressure during extraction. Number 2. Geek Chef Espresso Machine, 20-bar espresso maker with milk frother steam wand, compact coffee machine with for cappuccino latte, fast heating, stainless steel. About this item, 20-bar professional pump. The high-pressure extraction system ensures that every cup of coffee is filled with a rich, aromatic liquid that is bursting with flavor. Professional espresso machine. This espresso maker has single shot and double shot, and the extraction will stop automatically when the right coffee strength is reached. And it has a precise temperature control system to ensure that your coffee is brewed to perfection. Powerful milk steamer. This espresso machine comes equipped with a powerful milk steamer that features a steady steam wand capable of transforming milk into a luxuriously smooth microfoam. Latte machine is convenient for you to create latte, cappuccino, mocha or plain white coffee art at home or office. Removable frothing nozzle makes cleaning easy. Rapid heating system. It designed with a rapid 30-second preheat function that will provide you with hot and delicious coffee in no time. Whether you're in a hurry in the morning or just want a quick coffee break during the day, this semi-automatic coffee machine has got you covered. Accessories and tips. Home espresso machine comes with portafilter, double shots filter, single shots filter, scoop. 2 cups of 60 ml/2 ounces, about 14 g/2 spoons powder for the best concentration. Number 1. DeLonghi EC885M Dedica Arte Espresso Machine, 35 fluid ounces. About this item, 15-bar professional pressure. Assures quality results, with adjustable controls for personal preferences. My latte art steam wand makes it easy to achieve the perfect milk texture for cafe quality lattes and cappuccino style, meat countertop. Just 6 wide, the compact design eliminates kitchen clutter. The exclusive stainless steel finish combines form and function atop your counter. Brew like a pro. This machine includes a professional tamper and a large filter basket that accommodates up to 18 g of ground coffee. It gives you the power to brew authentic barista quality beverages just like your favorite coffee house. Easy to use. The machine does the work for you. The automatic flow stop feature dispenses just the right amount of espresso, taking out the guesswork. Accommodate taller cups. If you'd prefer a larger sized beverage, no problem. The double drip tray is easy to adjust or remove to fit taller cups, such as latte glasses. Removable water tank. The 35 ounces water tank is simple to remove, refill and reattach, and the water level is easily visible to eliminate the